In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a custom swatch library from colors in any image in Adobe InDesign. So in Adobe InDesign, if you have an image you want to use the colors from and you want to use all the colors and create a new swatch library, you can go to the eyedropper tool, and when you long click this one, you get the option for the color theme tool, or you press Shift I. And when you choose that one and you hover on top of the image you want to extract the colors from, and then you click, as you can see, we now get all the colors used in this image. You can click this arrow here to choose between colorful, bright, and dark. With the colorful option here, you have the option to add the theme to swatches, or alt-click to add a selected color, which we will take a look at in a moment. And then you can also add it to the current CC library. But if I click this one here, add this theme to swatches, if I then go to swatches, which if that one isn't visible, you can go to Window, Color, and then swatches, or press F5. So if I click add to swatches, as you can see, it has now added my colorful theme twice because I clicked twice. Let's delete the second one. So I now have my colorful theme, and those are the colors you can see here. If I go to, for example, the dark option, and I select this one, and then I alt or option click this add to swatches option, as you can see, it has now added it separately from all the other colors. So that's to add one separate color from your color theme tool generation. But you can use this on any image and then create a custom swatch library from colors used in that image in Adobe InDesign. That will be added to your swatches library. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.